Good morning, everyone. It's NoyTebs here. So again, guys, if you're new in my channel, please don't forget to like and subscribe, and don't forget to click the notification bell so you'll be notified every time I have a new video upload on my channel. So again, today we are going to do unboxing this Amazon Basic 7 USB 2.0 hub. Let's get started. So there we go, guys. So again, we're going to unbox this Amazon Basic 7 USB hub, and we'll see. So excited here. Bang. So sharp. Ooh. Nice one. So I got here the manual. Wow, too small. Wow, so beautiful. And it comes with the hub, the AC power adapter. It comes with that connector. It comes with the USB A to micro USB adapter, and it comes with the stand. Nice one. So wow, there you go, guys. So it's so small. This basic Amazon Basic port hub, and wow, it's so light. It's so light. It's too small. Look at that. Wow, it's almost same as size of my Saramonic transmitter. It's almost same size, but double the size of those. It's too small. Ooh, wow. So nice, beautiful. So there you go, and you can see that one. So the system requirements available for this USB or the Amazon Basic is the available USB ports, and the Windows 7, Windows 8, Windows Vista, Windows XP, and Windows 2000, and even the Mac OS X. So the feature of this product is that they have a transfer data, a power surge protector. They charge up to 7 devices and USB ports for high power devices. On the port preview, we have here the LED indicator. We have a power devices ports. So if you go on the back here, they have 5 USB ports, and then the power jack, and then they have the port for including the USB cable. To attach the stand here on the horizontal, you can slide this one, and then either or you want to go horizontal or we're gonna go for vertical. You can take that one out, and then do it like this way. So either way you can do it. So, and again, how to connect the hub. All you have to do is to do the power and then connect this cable to your computer or to the hub, and then you can connect the USB port either on your computer or your PC or your laptop, either Mac or Windows. Okay. So again, if you're going to connect this one to your computer, after you're done using it, you can securely disconnect the device so that you know, your other devices won't be affected for corrupt or whatever. Just it's gonna be nice to, before you unplug this, make sure that it will disconnect properly. This high-speed USB 2.0 7 ports ultra mini hub provides downstream USB port for plug and play connection to the USB 1.1 and USB 2.0 devices. A perfect lightweight travel tools. This compact hub tucks easily into your pocket or the laptop bag, and you can store neatly on your desk. The number of USB ports is 7. The weight of this item is 200 grams. The dimension is 9 by 6.5 by 8.7 centimeter. And the voltage of this is 5 volt. That's why I bought this product, because I have a ceramic. I got a ceramic blinks here. My wireless microphone for my camera, and I have here also a wireless microphone for my iPhone. So that's why I need more ports to charge it, because I don't want to wait one charging at a time. So because I want everything will be to go, so I can charge all my USB, my cell phone, my other product that I want to charge it. So again, I have here the ceramic, and I can put that one in, and it's a very good sample. It's too light. That's the other side of, that's the other bad side on this product, because it's too light and it might fall or something. So that's it. So you can see. I just bought this one in Amazon, and again, this product is not a sponsored product, and basically I'm so happy with this because I can charge my phone, I can charge my phone, I can charge all my other equipment here. So I'm so happy with this product, and it's so light. That's what I've said. It's so hard in this because it's, see, because it's too light, that's what happening. So it's keep on running. So that's the other side on this, because it's not heavy. So maybe you need to put some sticky underneath and put it on your desk. But it's so hard, because if you're gonna bring this one outside or something for traveling, that's the other side, the other bad side on this part. But again, I can recommend this to you. It's really good product. I like it, and it's still charging now. So again, guys, I'm done here, and I hope you enjoy watching my video on my unboxing, and I have lots of unboxing coming in. I hope you will stay tuned on my channel. Thank you so much again, guys. My name is NoyTebs. We'll see you again next time. Have a wonderful day.